Welcome to the in front of me LENOVO Tab 4.8, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. For example, just select the application, press for a while to the application and drag it to the another application by this way. And as can you see right now, we got here the new folder. We can also add one more application to this folder by the same way. If you want, we can also give a name to this folder, for example, the apps. And as can you see, we just give a name to this folder. If you want, we can move this folder between the screens. By this way, just hold for a while to the folder and drag it to the another screen. Also, we can just turn it back if you want. Also, if you want just to remove the application from the folder, just hold for a while and move it to the position or section where you wanna just move the application by the same way. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.